Good morning all of you. My name is Ranjita. Today we are going to perform a mathematics activity based on the topic integers. Now we are going to start the activity. Objective: to add two integers by activity method. Second, to subtract one integer from the other using same activity. Now materials required in this activity are: first, two different colored glaze paper, that is green and red glaze paper. Second, a pencil. Third, an eraser. Fourth, a circle. Fifth, a pair of scissors to cut circles from the glaze paper. Sixth, a glue stick. Seventh, large white sheet of papers. Now we are going to start this activity. Step number first. From the glaze papers, cut off 20 circles, each of diameter 1 cm as shown here. Assume that one green circle represents positive integer +1, and in here assume that one red circle represents negative integer, that is -1. Now our second step is, from our previous study, we have the concept that the resulting sum of a positive integer and its negative integer is always 0. In terms of our circles, which we have prepared, it translates that one green circle cancel one red circle as shown here. Here we have pasted one green circle which denotes positive +1 integer and one red circle which represents -1 integer, and they cancel each other and gives the result 0. In the third step, addition of positive integer with a positive integer. Choose 5 green circles and in addition of 3 green circles, just paste them on the white sheet as shown here. We have pasted firstly 5 green circles, 3, 4 and 5, and 3 additional green circles. Again the 3 green circles we are pasting here. The resulting number together is 8 green circles which represent positive 8. Therefore, what we conclude is +5 +3 give us the result +8. Step 4. Addition of a negative integer with a negative integer. In this step, firstly we choose 5 red circles and paste them on the white sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and in addition 3 more red circles and paste them all in the white sheet. 1, 2, 3. And now the total number of red circles is 5, which represent -5, as we know that red circles denote -1 integer. So here -5 integer plus -3 gives the result -8. Addition of a positive integer with a negative integer. Choose 6 green circles and 4 red circles and paste them all on the white sheet as shown here. Now we are pasting 6 green circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we are pasting 4 more red circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now out of 6 red circles, 4 of them were cancelled out with 4 red circles. Now we are cutting 4 green circles with 4 red circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, leaving behind only 2 green circles which represent positive integer 2, that is plus 2. Thus, we conclude that plus 6 plus minus 4 give us the result plus 2. 6. Addition of a positive integer with a negative integer. This time, choose 5 green circles and 8 red circles and paste them on the white sheet. Now, we are pasting 5 green circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 8 red circle. Now we are pasting 8 red circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here these 8 circles represent minus 1 integer, and we notice that 5 green circles get cancelled with 5 red circles, leaving behind only 3 red circles. Now we are cutting 5 green circles with red circles. 3, 4 and 5. And now we noticed that only 3 red circle left over represent the negative integer 3, that is minus 3. Thus, what we conclude is plus 5 plus minus 8 give us the result minus 3. Now, what is the conclusion from this activity? Conclusions are: first, positive integer plus positive integers gives positive integer. This conclusion second is negative integer plus negative integer is equals to negative integer. And the third is positive integer plus negative integer gives sign of the integer whose numerical value is greater. Thank you.